Sveiki visi žaliai balti, esame šalia Kauno Jono Basanavičiaus gimnazijos, kuri laimėjo Žalgiris tavo mokykloje projektą ir būtent dėl šios priežasties žalgiriečiai atvyko aplankyti jaunųjų fanų bei su jais šiltai pabendrauti. Eime! How do you feel about the Žalgiris initiatives bringing you, the team, to the school?
I think it's amazing, especially to have a contest to see who comes to the games and buys the most tickets from each school. I think that's an amazing thing, especially, them being such big fans. Everybody here is wearing a Žalgiris shirt. So just for us to be able to come here and show love to them and them, they sung a song and danced for us. So that was pretty cool to see.
Yeah. I'm sure that among these fans, there are some people that are wanting to be basketball players. So what is one advice that you would give for them?
That this wasn't easy, so it's hard work. You have to work, and there'll be good days, there'll be bad days, but you just got to try to have more than good than bad.
Tai Laurinai, esame mokykloje, ar kokie kilo prisiminimai iš mokyklos ir ar geras mokinys buvai?
Nežinau, neblogi prisiminimai, mokinys tai buvau tikrai geras iki, nežinau, kol pradėjau rimčiau sportuoti Žalgirio dubleriuose, tai bet šiaip gerai ir gerai sekėsi ir mokytis, bet sakau, po to prasidėjo rimtesni sportai, tai kažkiek tie mokslai ir kentėdavo.
Kokie įspūdžiai aplankius jaunuosius Žalgirio fanus?
Smagu, tikrai labai gražiai pasitiko, gražus renginys, aišku, didelis ačiū jiem, kad palaikė mūsų varžybose ir smagu, kad galim bent taip atsidėkoti už tą palaikymą, aplankydami juos čia.
It's pretty cool for one of our first ones we've done where we've kind of gone out in the public like this and to see the fans and their spirit for our team and how supportive everyone in this city is. It's very special to see and it's a really good fan base here.
Yeah, when you were in the school, did you have any idol that you were looking up to that you would say like, oh, I want to be like him?
I don't know. For me, it was I liked a couple of players in sports, whether it was I was a big baseball player or a basketball player. Really, just everything was just competitive with me and my brother. So I kind of just looked up to him and my parents. Just wanted to be better than all of them, and everything else fell into place.
When you were at school, did you have any chance or opportunities the team would come to your school and visit your school?
Yeah, when I was a lot younger, the high school kids would come visit. Whenever I got to be that age, we started visiting smaller schools, and then I got to college. And my first year professionally, we did the same. And it's really cool to experience from this side, because when I was little, I remember experiencing it from the other side with other kids and whether they were playing any other sports. And it's definitely a different outlook. You definitely look up to them when you're little.
Jono Basanavičiaus gimnazija!